ORG softener mini. It's a very simple and easy softener. It can be used, it can be installed at every place where you need the point of use water softener, right. This softener can be installed as a wall mounted. You can install on wall and just need to give the inlet and outlet. It's a very simple device. Here is the brine, this is the brine tank. You have to fill the brine solution here, and when this softener on regeneration mode, it's draw the brine and it's come out from the drain. This is the drain connection. You just need to connect this drain line from here, in, out and drain. For make this softener easy to install, we provide as a separate accessories as a 4-way connector. This is very unique 4-way connection. You can use to install in shower or the tap, any point of use you can use this 4-way connector. This 4-way connector, this is inlet, in to out, this is out, again this is inlet and out. This 4-way connector inside, this is closed right like this. So when you have example, as we take the example, you need this soft water in your shower. So you have to remove your existing shower. Might be your shower is installing like this. So you just remove the shower and fix this 4-way connector here, and again this shower like this. So you have to install this 4-way connector, and from this 4-way connector, the raw water, hard water comes from this outlet. You need to give the inlet here. So from hard water here to here, and the soft water comes from this outlet, is connect here, and it's go to the your outlet, final outlet. So you can use as a shower softener, or you can use as a point of use in tap line or any line. ORG is providing the stainless steel corrugated pipe as accessories for this softener mini. So some in bathroom or some place, if you don't want to do the plastic piping for the good aesthetic look, you can use this kind of stainless steel pipe, and this pipe you can fix like this. You can, so it's good looking and very easy to install with this softener. Just you have to fix the connection with the O-rings like this. So we have some selection like the length 1 meter, 0.5 meter, 2 meter length. We have this stainless steel pipe, and also you can use the same the rubber pipe which is being used in the geyser or the water heater, right. So this softener, use this softener is very easy. Inside this part is the 6-liter resin. So here is the brine tank. So in the minimum inlet pressure also it can work. It can work at a 0.5 kg per cm square pressure also, because the brine solution comes from the gravity. So it's not need the high inlet pressure. Operation of this softener mini is very simple. This mode is a service mode. So once you feel the water is not now coming soft water, just move this valve on next mode. You can get this kind of sound. So this is in now backwash mode. After finish backwash, this is the regeneration mode. So just you have to turn anti-clockwise this handle. So this is regeneration mode. Next is the brine tank refill mode. So in this water softener mini, you do not need to fill the brine tank as a manually, because this softener sometime installed at the little bit height side. So it's automatically fill water by this valve. So we are using the genuine multiport valve, which make the water, softener backwashing and pour the salty water in brine tank also. And this is the fast rinse. Again this come to the service mode.